Right, I've pulled over because I am absolutely sick of this bloody weather. So I looked at the forecast like at the weekend and that, and even yesterday and today it was just saying it was like going to be light cloud and no rain whatsoever. So I set out, dropped the bairn off with the grandparents, and the heavens just opened, hail and torrential rain. And today of all days, because I've got two fairly big gardens in an area that I only do on this day, so it's not like around the corner, and I just really wanted to get them done today. And it's going to be, I mean, I've got plans for the weekend. My partner's family's up from Leeds, so like usually I'd maybe go and do them on a Saturday or something, but we've got plans, and next week's just, it's like everyone just busy, so it's going to, I'm going to have to try and fit them in. Tomorrow I've got obviously a full day. I'm going to have to try and fit them in next week, but I'm absolutely sick. I mean, I've just started doing grass cuts again. Last March, sorry, I started them in early March. And it's terrible, man. I'm absolutely sick. And I'm sure you guys are as well. I mean, it puts you in a mood, doesn't it? You know, you just want to get out, get cracking, get on with your jobs and that. And if you lose half a day or something, it's, you know, it's salvageable. And especially if the gardens are just maybe, you know, in and out jobs or whatever, you can kind of fit them in and around and stuff. But like when it's a full day and when you've got big gardens, I mean, these are my two biggest gardens that I do. Normally I like to keep them just nice and small to medium size, but these are good pairs. And you're losing a full day. I mean, you can't do anything. I mean, I've got stuff to do in my own garden, but I cannot do that either. There's the baby room to paint. I was gonna do that in a couple of weeks' time. I might go back home now and just start on it, at least get something from the day. But it's so frustrating. It's so frustrating. I mean, this is the back end of March when I'm filming this. I'll try and put this video out quite quickly, pretty much straight away, because what's the point in this being months down the line? It's probably going to be nice weather. I'll try and get this up for this Sunday coming. But let us know in the comments how much have you managed to get done. Are you losing days? I mean, this is the first day that I'm probably going to lose. I cut in the rain. I do cut in the rain, and I cut when it's wet. But if it's torrential rain and if it's snow, I don't do anything. Partly because I don't want to get drenched myself. Obviously, I have worked in the rain, you know, worked in torrential rain. It's different if you're outside and you start a job and then it rains. You kind of like, you're out there and you just like kind of get it done. But like when you're in your car, your van, and it's pouring down, you don't really want to get out. And it depends on what lawn you do as well. I mean, some lawns I won't touch when it's even damp. Other lawns I'll cut when it's wet. It depends on the condition, depends what the customer wants. But yeah, absolutely sick. Right, see you in the next one.